Hello, my name is Derek Rice, and I'm about to have do my presentation for our my individual work for our group project. Um, so let's see. First thing, let me probably move that out the way. Okay, so I'm just gonna give a little bit of project information. This is for Trackalytics, our project. It's designed to be user-friendly, scalable, and secure, helping businesses optimize stock control without unnecessary complexity, um, and then to provide a simplified stock tracking and provide real-time visibility into inventory level. My role is a software architect, and a few of the things that I helped with was integrated front end and back end. That took about a week while I was doing it. But at the same time, somebody else was also doing it, so we went with theirs. Inventory page. It took about 2 weeks because, um, of course, other people were also working with it. And so a few of my ideas and their ideas, worked together, but then also connecting all of those pages, to each other so that, we can go in between each page and make sure that it was like seamless. And then the KPI, which is what I recently worked on. I had started on that for the group, and somebody else also picked it up for this next round, this last round. And then I'm currently in the process of working on the reports and exports page for this round, for this last round. Okay. And then this is I guess how I felt about working with my team, what it's like working with my team. So each team member received clear instructions regarding their responsibilities for the project. While some contributed significantly based on their assigned roles, finding a balanced distribution of tasks, and ensuring timely participation from everyone proved to be challenging. I know myself, um, I didn't have much to do as much as everyone else. It was a lot done within that first sprint, that there was just background things to do, like databases and integrating the front end and the back end and working on like the reports and exports in that inventory page, like simple things, because a lot of the visuals was there, and databases were starting to be done. So I know for me, I have like a short list of things I've been able to help with. And a lot of things that I've done also got picked up by other people. So it wasn't something I did individually. So I do say that a lot of people um did a lot amount of work based on the roles that we all had. I guess the roles called for more. We were trying to make it a more like equal working balance. Even though those roles had their specific things. Oh, previous slide though, I did forget to put in there that I did work on like the software architecture, like I worked on the diagram. That's something that I also did. I forgot to put that in there. Um, but then again, I truly enjoy working with my group. Everyone was not only enjoyable to collaborate with, but also they were very supportive and willing to help me whenever I needed clarification, whenever I had a question, introducing me to different IDs, platforms. Um, uh, they're a group of really intelligent individuals, and I really do look forward to seeing the great things that they accomplish in the future. So, what I learned was I really gained a better understanding of collaboration and communication, and then working with different perspectives coming from different people, what they know, um, the languages that they know, and the different platforms that they knew about, and what they really wanted visually, like that different diversity and how we all think. Um, I also learned that I I need to only focus. I need time to only focus on group projects, and what I mean by that is that because I work with group projects and then other classes group projects and then jobs on top of that and organizations on campus, that it can take away from working on the classwork, and some things can go unfinished, um, which can have it where other people are also doing a little bit more work because my work isn't getting done on time. So I do know that learning this, like going into um I guess, finding a job after this, is that there's a lot that I feel like we would have to focus on, like doing those projects as a team. But then I might also have more free time to be able to do those things, while also simultaneously learning new things and not just submitting what I have in a project for the sake of submitting it. But having the time, I believe, is essential for producing quality work, and contributing effectively to the team's overall success. That's all I have. Um, if there are any questions, I'm willing to answer those. Um, Thank you. Stop sharing.